welcome back to a weekly update from Tinseltown. From CBI handling Sushant Singh Rajput's case to Big B returning home after testing negative for COVID-19, this week was rather bittersweet. But amidst this, love is blooming in the air as Rana Daggubati ties knot with Lady Love Mahika Bajaj. So, without further ado, let's have a look at the newsmakers of this week. Finally, almost 2 months after Sushant Singh Rajput's demise, the centre informed the Supreme Court that it has accepted the Bihar court's recommendation for a CBI probe into the death case of the late Bollywood actor. This announcement came in on the very day that the Apex Court was hearing Ria's plea to transfer the FBI file against her in Patna to Mumbai. Nonetheless, the decision was welcomed by the actor's family and even former girlfriend Ankita Lokhande. On the other hand, the Supreme Court has denied Rhea Chakraborty's interim protection from questioning by the Bihar police. While the investigation is still on, Rhea Chakraborty on Friday was spotted arriving at the Enforcement Directorate's Mumbai office with a man said to be her brother Shovik. The actress had requested that the recording of her statement to be postponed till a Supreme Court hearing next week, but it was rejected by the Central Financial Agency. After sending summon to Rhea Chakraborty, the EG also summoned Sushant Singh Rajput's friend Siddharth Pitani and the late actor's former business manager Shruti Modi. In another tragic report, film and television actor Sameer Sharma had passed away. The actor was found hanging from his kitchen ceiling at his residence in Malad West on Wednesday night. The actor's body had been sent to an autopsy and that a case of accidental death has been registered. Looking at the body's condition, it's suspected that he died by suicide 2 days back, said the Malad police. Since the news broke, tributes of love have been pouring in from B-Town celebs, fondly remembering the bright talent. Finally, some good news is here. Fans of Big B can breathe a sigh of relief as the megastar has returned home after testing negative for COVID-19. Earlier this week, Amitabh Bachchan made the happy announcement on his social media handle while also extended his gratitude and thanked all those who prayed for his recovery. Not just that, even Abhishek Bachchan recently tested negative for COVID-19. Now, we can't hold on to the excitement as we can hear the wedding bells ring. The day we were eagerly waiting for is finally here. Superstar Rana Daggubati has tied knots with his lady love Mahika Bajaj. Amidst the pandemic, it was more of a private ceremony with close friends and family. Don't worry, we are here to share all the inside pictures from the celebration. But first, we want to extend our heartiest congratulations to the newlywed. That's all for today, folks. We will see you next week with lots more news. Till then, keep watching E-Times for all the latest gossips from B-Town, and in the meanwhile, be home and be safe.